Welcome to Chessland, where every piece is a hero.
Guess who I am? I'm the royal one. Protect me at all costs. I move one square at a time. My name is King.
Guess who I am? I'm the strongest. I zoom in all directions, straight or diagonal. My name is Queen.
Guess who I am? I glide diagonally, always staying on my color. My name is Bishop.
Guess who I am? I'm the jumper. I move in an L shape and leap over others. My name is Knight.
Guess who I am? I'm the castle. I charge straight, forward, backward, sideways. My name is Rook.
Guess who I am? I'm small but brave. I move one step, but if I reach the end, I can become a queen. My name is Pawn. Each piece is special. Together, they make the Game of Kings chess. Follow for more by Kids.